Hello everyone, I'm Giriman Sachdeva and currently I am pursuing my honors in the French language from Delhi University. Today I want to discuss with you all about one of the major and prime problem in the city of Faridabad where I've been living in from around 2 years. And the problem is land hoarding. I have been living here for 2 years, but this land is lying vacant for around 5 years. The major thing to note here is that this land is under the control of the government. So why the government is being so careless in not distributing this land for an essential purpose? There are majorly five uses of land: agricultural, recreational, for transportation, commercial, and residential purpose. But this land is not being used for any of these purposes. And one thing here I want to inform you that if this land would have been under the private ownership or a private company, then the government would have fined loads of taxes upon us for not taking any action upon this land. So if this land would have been under the control of the government, then does the government have the right to leave this land like this? Let me show you one more thing. Wastage. Are we using this huge proportion of land for dumping waste or what? A land which has a value in crores. And when we switch on the news channels, what does we observe there? We have huge population, we have land scarcity problems, but what about this land? This is just one example that I'm showing you. In Faridabad, there are many such lands that are lying just abandoned. There are huge open spaces that we can use for something good. These lands are just unutilized and underutilized for I don't know what. The government is not taking any action upon this. I'm just talking about Faridabad. I don't know how many hectares of land that the government is holding in India but not taking up any action. So I want to raise simply a question: why the government is not doing anything over this land? We talk about eradication of poverty. So what is this? Why aren't we using this land for uh, constructing households for the poor people or the people who are suffering, who don't even have shelter, who sleep on footpaths, who don't who have big families and they don't know where to live, they don't have shelter to live in. So why aren't we using this land for all these purposes? At an individual level, I am very concerned about this problem in my own locality, in my own area. Thank you, Modlingua, for giving me an opportunity to discuss about this great issue that we are finding in this city. I want that this video should reach media and they should know about this problem that we are facing in Faridabad and in many such areas which are just been hidden and we don't know about those areas.